Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your financial goals with TD Ameritrade easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your financial goals with TD Ameritrade, start by logging into your TD Ameritrade account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Planning tab on the home page. Under the Planning menu, click on Goals to access your current financial goals. Review your existing goals displayed on the screen. Identify which goals you want to reset or modify. To change a goal, click on the edit icon next to the specific goal. Adjust the goal details as necessary, including the target amount and timeline. Save your changes once you have adjusted the goal settings. If you want to create a new goal, look for the Add New Goal button. Click on that button to start setting your new financial goal. Fill in the relevant information, such as the goal type, target amount, and completion date. After entering the information, click Save to establish your new goal. Once all your goals are updated, revisit the Planning tab to track your progress. Use the tools provided by TD Ameritrade to monitor your investments related to these goals. Stay proactive by scheduling regular check-ins to reassess your goals and financial situation. Make adjustments as needed based on changing life circumstances or market conditions. By following these steps, you will effectively reset your financial goals with TD Ameritrade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.